Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to find out what that math is. Click the link in the description, get to this page where you can put in as many numbers as you like up at the top and see how they're transformed by this math as they come out the bottom. When you think you've got an answer, come on back, listen to the rest of the video and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin on today's with a 0. A 0 gives us a 0. Okay, so whatever graph this is, it goes to the origin. Let's put in a 1. Oh, so 1 is giving us not a number, so that computer message that tells us there's some kind of error, and whatever this function does with the 1 makes it so that it doesn't make sense mathematically. Let's try a -1. A -1 gives us a +1. Let's try some more numbers over on the positive side. Do we keep getting that error? So 2, let's try a 5. Okay, it seems like whatever I'm putting in that's positive is causing an error in this function. And let's try some more negative numbers then. So how about a -2? I'm recognizing that decimal. I'm going to put in a -4. Okay, that's what I expected. Well, what do you think? Have we seen a function like this before? To me, this looks like the square root function, but it's on the wrong side. It's like it's been flipped across reflected across the y-axis. This 1.4142, that made me think, oh, this is the square root of 2, because I've seen that decimal before. And then I put in a 4, well, I put in a -4, and I got 2. So it looks like it's taking whatever we put in and flipping the sign first, right? Because you couldn't take a square root of a -2 or a -4. That would give you an error. But if you made this positive, then you could. And that's, I think, why we're getting these not a numbers for all the positive values, because it's flipping that sign too. So how do you flip the sign? Well, you just put a negative in front of it. And I think I know what this function is now. So the function f of x is the square root of -x. And we've got to take that negative before we try taking the square root, or putting in negative numbers won't work. So I'm pretty sure that's the case. I think, well, we could put in a -9 here and try that. A -9 should give us 3, right? And a +9 should give us not a number. Yeah, so I'm pretty confident that we've got this. So let's go ahead and reveal, yeah, square root of -x. And if we graph this, yeah, we get that beautiful tapering curve of the square root function that's just been reflected across that y-axis. Well, how did that go for you? I think that was a tough one to start out with on a Monday. Let me know. Thanks, everybody.